about 6 months ago, I turned 10.
Whoa, did you notice what's on the right there? It's like it's a price tag on the light globe, and it's like burnt from the light bulb being on.
Oh.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Funny.
Yeah, that's crazy. No. It's on medium now. So, just let it keep going. It's an awkward noise. It's a little wobbly too. I can kind of reach that pull.
Come on, go inside!
It's fine.
I'm gonna kick you. Okay.
Okay, I'll go ahead. Get ready for.
Don't step on that. That's a gun.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
I didn't know what it was.
Obviously, the concrete.
Okay, I get it.
Them guns are expensive. That's the gun. That's the gun. Arrows for arrows.